Opening scene. Old man sitting on a wooden stool beside a goat pen. His beard is white, his hands rough, his eyes kind. Slow motion visuals of the village, goats grazing and the sun rising. People ask me, "How did you raise 3 sons who all became strong men?" I smile. But inside I want to say, with cracked hands, tired eyes, and a heart that never stopped making dua. My name is Abdul Malik. I'm a goat farmer. Have been for over 40 years. I live in a village where time moves slowly, and people still greet each other with Assalamu alaikum instead of just nodding from their phones. When I was a young man, I had nothing but land, 2 goats, and a dream. A dream that my children would never feel the hunger I tasted, or the hopelessness I once feared. And alhamdulillah, today I have 3 sons. All educated, all good men. Strong not just in body, but in character. Might cut to visuals of him pouring water into a trough, petting a goat, adjusting a turban on his head. It wasn't easy, Beta. It never was. Do you know how many nights I went to sleep without dinner so my boys could have milk before school? Do you know how many times I stitched my old kurta again and again, just so I could afford their books? But I never once thought of quitting, not once, because every drop of sweat that fell from my forehead, I offered it to Allah with a silent dua. Ya Rab, I am planting seeds I may never see, but let them grow strong. Cut to flashback-style visuals. Younger versions of him walking sons to school, reading by lantern light, helping with homework. My sons, they saw me work, before Fajr after Isha. They saw me struggle with these goats, cleaning, milking, carrying sacks heavier than my own body. And you know what? They never saw me complain. Not because I didn't feel pain, but because I didn't want them to carry it. A real father doesn't pass down his burden. He turns it into a foundation. Scene. The old man smiling proudly while looking at an old photograph of his sons in graduation gowns. Today, one of them is a doctor, one is an engineer, one runs his own farm, bigger than mine, mashallah. They've moved to the cities now. They send me money. They beg me to stop working. But I say, what will I do without my goats? Sit around waiting to die? This farm didn't just raise my sons, it raised me. Me seen. Him walking slowly with a cane, calling out to his goats by name, patting them lovingly. These goats, they taught me more than any book. Patience, provision, purpose. They don't complain when it's hot. They don't chase comfort. They trust that I'll feed them. That's how I try to be with Allah. Just trusting. Risk doesn't come from people. It comes from the one above the sky. The old man sits down, wiping his forehead. His voice softens, becomes reflective. So many men chase wealth, fame, followers. But at the end of the day, what matters? Did you raise your children with love? Did you earn your money with honesty? Did you go to sleep knowing you pleased your Lord? If you can say yes, then you've succeeded. Cut to sunset. He makes wudu from a metal jug, lays down his prayer mat next to the goat pen. I don't have gold, I don't have a car, but I have peace in my heart. And that Beta is worth more than anything. Waiter closing line, direct to camera. Don't chase a life that looks good on the outside and feels empty inside. Start where you are, do what you can, and trust Allah with the rest. If I can raise strong sons from a goat farm, imagine what you can build with what you have. Final shot. Abdul Malik walking back to his small home, the call to Maghrib echoing in the background. Fade to black.